Epson Adjustment Program. Download. Dangerous download blocked. Please turn off antivirus. Windows Defender, turn off. Settings, turn off. Then click Ctrl Google Chrome, Downloads, More Action, and click Download dangerous file. Show in folder. Unpack archive. Open folder, open Adjustment Proc X. More information, run. Accept. Select. Model name. Port. USB. OK. Particle adjust mode. Select West Ink Pad counter. OK. Maintenance box counter reset is blocked. You can reset only Platen Pad counter. Check. Click check and then click initialize. OK. And turn off, switch off printer. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Good day. Have a nice day.